So welcome. This is a video based upon straight lines, finding the equation of a straight line. So for this question, find an equation of a straight line with gradient -2 and passing through 7, -3. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y plus 3 equals to -2x plus 14. So move the 3 to the other side, -2x plus 14, -3. So what does that becomes now? Y equals to -2x plus 11. Find the equation of a line that passes through -2, 3 and 3, 7, giving your answer. So first of all, we have to find the gradient. Gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So which is 7, -3 upon 3, negative of -2, which is 4 upon 5. Now take any one point. I take the second point. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to 4 upon 5x minus 12 upon 5 plus 7. Then y equals to 4 upon 5x. Then this is -12 plus 35 upon 5. So what do I get from there? -12 plus 35 is nothing but what? Positive 23. So y equals to 4 upon 5x plus 23 upon 5. Multiply by 5. So 5y equals to 4x plus 23. So what is the final answer? 4x minus 5y plus 23 equals to 0. Question number 3. Find an equation of a line parallel to this one and passing through 3, 12. So any parallel equation will have the same gradient. So y equals to 2x plus c, but it passes through 3, 12. So substitute 3, 12 in that. So you will be getting dot c value equals to 6. So what is the equation? Y equals to 2x plus 6. The line L passes through 3, 4 and 9, 2. Write the equation of the line. So gradient y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is -2 upon 6, which is -1 upon 3. Now the equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Then y equals to -1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3 upon 3 plus 4. So what does it becomes? -1 upon 3x plus 5. Write down the gradient of a line perpendicular to line L. So the gradient of this line is -1 upon 3. Its perpendicular gradient will be 3. Question number 5a. The coordinates at the endpoints of the diameter of a circle are this. Find the length of the diameter. Formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this becomes x1 y1 and x2 y2. So it becomes square root of 3 minus 3 whole square plus -3 minus 5 whole square, which is 6 square plus 8 square, which is square root of 100, which is 10. Find the center of the circle. Center will be always midpoint of the diameter. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So which is going to be -3 plus 3 upon 2, comma 5 minus 3 upon 2, which is going to be 0, 1. 3 points ABC have the coordinates. Find the length of the line segment AB. Gradient of the line segment AB. So gradient formula is nothing but what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 1 minus of minus 11 divided by 1 minus of minus 5. So 12 upon 6, which is 2. Find the gradient of BC. So gradient of BC will be again 7 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1, which is 6 upon 3, which is 2. What do you notice about the gradients of AB and BC? They are having same gradients. Explain why your answer in part A and B show that the lines AB and BC are gradients. So as they have same gradient, as they have same gradient, two lines should pass through common point. So, and they must be collinear. 7a. The dog breeder is measuring the rate at which the puppy grows by measuring the back length, that is the distance from the base of the neck to the base of the tail. At 3 weeks, the old puppy measured 6 centimeters, and after 6 weeks, it measured 8 centimeters. So, he has given L equals to MW plus C, whereas L is the length of the puppy, W is the age of the puppy, and M and C are the constants to be found. So 6 equals to 3M plus C, because after 3 weeks it is 6 centimeters, and after 6 weeks it was 8 centimeters. 8 equals to 6M plus C. Now subtract both the equations. Minus minus minus, CC gets cancels. Negative 2 equals to negative 3M. So M equals to 2 upon 3. Plug in M equals to 2 upon 3 in any one of the equation. So 6 equals to 3 times 2 upon 3 plus C. 6 equals to 2 plus C. C equals to 4. The equation found in the part B can be used to find the model of the puppy in growth. So what was that equation? L equals to 2 upon 3 W plus 4. How many centimeters per week does the model suggest to grow? It's showing 2 upon 3, means 2 upon 3 centimeters per week. That is the meaning. The gradient is 2 upon 3, so 2 upon 3 centimeters per week. Use the model to find the length of the puppy after 15 weeks. So L equals to 2 upon 3 times 15 plus 4, which is equals to 14. Use the model to find the age of the puppy when it is 17. So 17 equals to 2 upon 3 times W plus 4. 2 upon 3 times W equals to 13. So W equals to 13 times 3 upon 2, which is 19.5 weeks. The line L has an equation. The line L crosses x-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. 2x equals to negative 3. X equals to negative 3 upon 2. So what is point A? Negative 3 upon 2 comma 0. For point B, x is 0. 2 times 0 minus y plus 3 equals to 0. Minus y plus 3 equals to 0. So y equals to 3. So what is the point B? 0 comma 3. Find the area of a triangle. If I try to draw the triangle, it looks like this. Minus 3 upon 2 comma 0, 0 comma 0, and 0 comma 3. So we can easily find this distance is 3 by 2, this distance is 3. So the area will be half base times height. What is the base? 3 upon 2. What is the height? 3, which is 9 upon 4, which is 2.25 units square. Question number 9. An electrician charges a fixed fee of 50 pounds plus 20 per hour, using h as a number of hours. So 20 per hour means 20h will be the one, plus 50 will be the initial charges. So total price will be 20h plus 50. Electrician quotes a customer price 200 pounds to complete the job. How long is he expecting to work? So 200 equals to 20h plus 50. So 150 equals to 20h. H equals to 150 divided by 20, which is 7.5 hours. A rival electrician charges a fixed rate of 38 and 24 per hour. So this time 24 per hour, 24h plus 38. This is the cost by this rival electrician. Determine which electrician would be cheapest for the job taken 4 hours. So this is P1. P1 is 20h plus 50, whereas P2 is 24h plus 38 for 4 hours. P1 will become 20 times 4 plus 50, which becomes pounds 130. P2 becomes 24 times 4 plus 38, which becomes pounds 134. So we can see that electrician electrician 1 is cheaper by 4 pounds. 10a. A line passing through origin is perpendicular to the line x plus y equals to 16. So x plus y equals to 16 is this line. A line passing through origin is perpendicular to this. Now this is L2. And this line is x plus y equals to 16. The two lines meets at R such that P is a point such that OP is to PR equals to 3:1. Find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the coordinates of R. So we have L1 x plus y equals to 16. So y equals to negative x plus 16. So what is the gradient of the line 1? Negative 1. What will be the perpendicular gradient? Positive 1. But it is passing through 0, 0. So equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So what is that equation? Y equals to x. Now I got these two equations. These two equations, solve it out to get the value of R. X plus y equals to 16, y equals to x. Plug in y equals to x. X plus x equals to 16, 2x equals to 16, x equals to 8. So what is the coordinates of R? 8, 8, because y equals to x. Now find the coordinates of P. This is a line, origin 0, 0, R 8, 8, and P, we have to find it out. And what is the ratio? The ratio is 3:1. So this will divide into 3/4 parts and 1/4 parts. So we have to find it out, the value of 3:1. So this will become, so how should I be able to find that one? Total distance is 8. So 3:1 can also be written as 6:2. So this one is 6 and this one is 2. 6:2. So this distance is 6 parts and this distance is 2 parts. So we know that from origin 6 parts means it's going to be 6, 6 is going to be the answer. So that is the way how should be doing it out to find the value of P. So 3:1 can also be written as 6:2 multiplied by 2. So 6 parts and 2 parts. So from origin total distance is 6 means 6, 6. That's going to be the end of this video. See you in the next video. Bye.